The Switch is almost a year old. Since launch, Nintendo has released several different color Joy-Cons. I made a video last year on the initial run, but since then, they've added a few more. We're going to take a look at those today. Here are all of the Joy-Cons Nintendo released for the first year of the Switch. At launch, we got the gray Joy-Cons, as well as the neon red and blue Joy-Cons. A couple months later, the first new set, and still my personal favorite ones, the neon yellow ones, launched alongside of ARMS. And then a couple months after that, in Japan at least, they got the exclusive pink and green Joy-Cons for Splatoon 2. Thankfully, the green and pink Joy-Cons made their way stateside, but frustratingly, there wasn't a way to have an all-green or an all-pink set. That is, until the newest edition, which was the opposite colors, so now you can have an all-pink or an all-green set. So, we have the gray, followed by the neon red, the neon blue, the neon yellow, the neon pink, and the neon green Joy-Cons. That's a lot of neon, but thankfully, this last set shakes that. Alongside the release of Mario Odyssey, we also got red Joy-Cons, and oh man, do these look good. So here it is, the complete set of Joy-Con colors for the first year. Let's take a look at how you can mix and match them. I still love a double yellow set, but the Christmas look is really fun, and the yellow and blue combo reminds me of Sonic the Hedgehog in all the best ways. I'm curious to see what sets we'll get this year. If I had my way, we'd have a throwback to the best of Nintendo's past, 2 GameCube colors, purple and spice orange. Thankfully, we have modders like Doyle's Customs to pick up the slack. I'll leave a link in the description to go check out his work. That's all for this one. I'm Jason, aka Maslin Monty. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one.